Kali-Linux 2026.1 has officially launched. This release updates the system kernel to version 6.18, adds 8 new hacking tools to the network repositories, and features a 20th anniversary BackTrack 5 retro theme. In this guide, we will perform a full system upgrade, reboot into the 2026.1 environment, and activate the nostalgic BackTrack Easter egg. Before beginning, ensure you have an existing Kali installation, a stable AirNet connection, and root or sudo privileges. Completing these prerequisites ensures you can access the latest offensive security toolsets while maintaining the option to use the interface that defined its origins. The first step is to verify your current version. This establishes a baseline for the system before you begin the upgrade process. Open your terminal and run lsb release-a. This command outputs your current release information, which should show a version number from 2025. To fetch and install the new release, use the following syntax: sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade-y. Distinguish between a standard and full upgrade. Standard only updates current packages, while a full upgrade removes obsolete dependencies to install the new architecture. Including the -y flag automatically answers yes to all prompts, allowing continuous installation. Once you hit enter, the process will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your network bandwidth. Using this specific command structure prevents broken dependencies and ensures a stable migration to the 2026.1 architecture. Immediately after the terminal finishes the process, execute a system reboot to apply the new kernel. As the system restarts, you will see the new 2026 boot animation. The rendering lag found in previous live images has been resolved, resulting in a fixed animation loop that plays smoothly while the system services initialize. You will then see the refreshed graphical login screen, followed by the new 2026 purple and dark desktop interface. Once logged in, reopen your terminal and rerun the OS verification command. Confirm that the terminal output now lists the release as 2026.1. This verification ensures the foundational architecture is correctly installed and ready for the new offensive tools. To access the retro theme, we use the Kali-Undercover utility. This tool is normally used to mask the operating system during stealth operations. Adding the --backtrack flag to this command triggers the 20th anniversary transformation. The desktop UI will shift immediately, replacing the modern layout with the BackTrack 5 wallpaper, legacy window themes, and retro terminal colors. If you want to return to the standard Kali theme, simply run the same command a second time. Note that running Kali-Undercover without any flags will switch the system to the standard Windows camouflage mode instead. Beyond the visuals, 2026.1 adds 8 new tools to the network repositories, covering categories like post-exploitation with Adaptive C2 and advanced debugging with GEF. You can confirm these are installed by running a basic help command for any of them in your terminal. Combining these 8 new tools with the vintage interface provides a setup that blends modern penetration testing capabilities with cybersecurity nostalgia. Your Kali-Linux 2026.1 environment is now fully configured and running on the 6.18 kernel. If you have experience using the original BackTrack OS, share your memories of those early tools in the comments. In our upcoming videos, we will conduct deep dive tutorials on the new tools, focusing first on Adaptive C2 and Access Strike. This environment provides the necessary foundation for the advanced hacking techniques we will cover in the next module.